This is the LG Wing. We're going to unbox it straight ahead. Welcome back, guys. It's Al from Techaeris.com, and yes, I have another video for you this week. Amazing, isn't it? In this week's video, or in this video, we're going to unbox the LG Wing, the world's first 5G swivel smartphone. I got to tell you, I've been excited for this one. Thank you, LG, for sending this along, and I'm really itching to get into this box. I have not opened it, so let's just do this. All right, so what you see here is the reviewer's box, so of course you're not going to get this set up when you order the LG Wing. This is just what comes to reviewers. So we'll just slip this little piece of cardboard off. Looks like a shoebox. Take that off. Have a little LG Wing, eager to take flight on your next adventure once we all feel a little safer. Just a message from the LG public relations folks. The LG Wing starting at $999.99. And included in this box, it looks like there's a design skin for the LG Wings. It's a case made by Design Skin and a face mask. So let's dive in deeper. The LG Wing, the world's first 5G swivel smartphone video brochure. This is something I've never seen before. Let's open that up and see what that's all about. We have a micro USB cable. Oh, micro USB cable. Let's see what's in here. Looks like a brochure. And it is a brochure. It's here, LG Wing, the world's first 5G swivel smartphone. And it has a little screen inside. Well, that's kind of cool. And it kind of runs, looks like it's running through a promo video, and you can select different features here. It's something I'll have to look at a little bit later, but that is unique. I've never seen anything like that before in reviewer's box. Very neat. And LG Wing reviewer's guide. They always send a reviewer's guide, or they email you one just to kind of give you an idea of what the phone's capable of, and it gives you all the specs and everything. And here is the Design Skin case that they sent along with it. So we'll put that to the side or not. And the face mask. LG branded face mask. Put that to the side. That's what we want to see right here. The LG Wing. Now let's see if there's anything else underneath. I don't think there is, but we'll take a look. Nope. That's about all there is. So let me clean this up and I'll be right back. All right, welcome back, guys. We have all the garbage out of the way, so I just wanted to get the box out in front here and get all that crap out of the way so we don't have to work around it. So this is the box for the LG Wing. Looks like a normal smartphone box, like every other smartphone box out there. Nothing, it's pretty nondescript, just says Wing on the front. Nothing really on the side. 5G from Verizon there. Kind of gives, this is normal packaging for LG. Nothing special there. So we're gonna open this sucker up and reveal the contents. And there is the LG Wing, front and center as usual. Let's see here. I got a tab here, but I can't seem to grab it. There it is. Put that to the side for a second. And this is LG committed to giving you peace of mind. We're so confident in the quality of our premium devices that along with the manufacturer's first year limited warranty, we offer free second year limited warranty coverage upon registration. So you get another year of warranty as long as you register the device with LG. And looks like a SIM ejection tool's in here. And let's see what else, if there's anything else in there. SIM ejection tool. Probably just manuals and and whatnot. Yep, just manuals. And this is a Verizon phone, so has all that Verizon stuff on there. And down deeper in there we have the, looks like a dongle. Yep, headphone jack dongle, USB-C to headphone jack aux. Put that to the side, and then here is your fast charging brick, USB certified fast charging, branded with LG, USB-C, and of course the USB-C to USB-C USB-C to USB-C cable, and that's about all you get in the box. Put that to the side, and we're gonna get to the star of the show here. And just grabbing it first off right here is it's a lot thicker than a normal smartphone. But it's not significantly thicker. I mean, if you really look at this, I'm looking at, hopefully we can see the kind of, this looks like this would be your normal size LG smartphone thickness, and then the screen on top gives it just that extra little bit of thickness. Triple camera there. We'll take this little sticker off the back. Alright, I took the sticker off the back. I'll have to get that gunk off the back there. It does seem to get fingerprints pretty easily, but what smartphones don't these days are all fingerprint magnets. But it is very, very nice, very reflective, very shiny. Feels real premium in the hand. Feels really nice. I mean, for $1,000 or more, it's, you know, it should be. Let's see, we have the SIM tray on the left side here. Microphone. Volume rocker and power, and let's power up and see what we got. LG Wing, powered by Android. And the bottom there, you got a speaker and the USB-C port, another microphone. And there's your Verizon Hello splash screen. Feels real nice in the hand. It's a little thicker, and you can certainly feel that right out of the box, so there's no question about that. I'm gonna go through setup here, and then I'll be right back, and we'll walk through a little bit more with the phone. Alrighty, I am back, guys, and I got the phone set up. I also got that gunk off the back of the phone. Get some of that stuff off of there. Still needs a little cleaning, but overall better. Well, there it is. I mean, I opened it up just a little bit ago before I started recording again, just to kind of give it a go. And I have to say, it's going to take me a little bit of time to figure this thing out and see what its uses are and what it's best used for. I got to say that swivel, that action right there is very clean. Very clean. You can hear a little bit of a scrape there along this edge here. I do wonder how that's gonna wear over time with dust and anything else that gets in between the two screens, and how that's gonna look. So, I mean, I can see, man, I'm at a loss for words here. I can see the uses for it, but I think I need to have some real world use with it to really grasp that use. So you guys have to wait for my full review on the site for the phone, because I really can't give too much more insight as to how I feel about it. So it's just going to take some time to get used to, and the fingerprint sensor works fast. It looks like we got some bloatware in here with Solitaire and Scrabble and Yahoo Mail pre-installed, Yahoo, all pre-installed. A lot of pre-installed apps here, Pluto TV. Smart Family from Verizon, a bunch of LG stuff. I mean, Verizon stuff. Verizon apps everywhere. So as far as software goes, be prepared to get that bloatware on there. I don't know why they have to add that in there, but they did. At any rate, most of that can probably be deleted or disabled. Yeah, I mean, I can see watching a YouTube video here and do an email down here, or vice versa. I'm gonna have to use this for a little bit to really gauge whether or not that is a useful feature. So, but as far as build quality goes, this is nice. This is as nice as any premium phone I've ever held in my hand. It's really well built, solid. It's not really that much thicker than other phones. As a matter of fact, let me grab my iPhone 11 Pro. Let me get this iPhone 11 Pro out of the case real quick and kind of give a small comparison between the two. So, I don't know if you can see, it's really not that thick. Not much thicker than the 11 Pro Max here. I have 11 Pro Max. It's definitely taller, but it's definitely not that much thicker. It's really not. So that impresses me, to be able to have that ability to have two screens like this, or at least a screen and a half, and not have that much thickness to it. Yeah, I'm at a loss for words, guys. So hopefully you're taking this in, and hopefully you're happy with the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and also if you're not subscribed, I'd love for you to subscribe. And I'm gonna try to keep some of these videos a little shorter, because my internet connection out here where I'm living now is pretty crappy. So it's taking me a little bit of time to get these videos uploaded, but we're gonna get through it. And thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys on the other side.